YouTube, welcome back. Digital crypto news, macro trends. Give me subscribe if you appreciate that content. I'm trying to give you the hottest crypto content on the internet. DGB, click, assemble, because it's been way too long since I gave y'all an update. Not cool, guys, my bad, because it seems like every time I turn my back, DGB just starts going ballistic, going crazy, going insane. I think DGB's hour of redemption is right around the corner, because Digibyte's been getting some serious attention in the last couple weeks. Digibyte's number, it's been going up, because about half a year ago, I remember a whole bunch of people saying DGB, it was done, but miraculously it's on the tip of everyone's tongue. We gonna take a look at the price action, cut it up a little bit, but make sure to stick to the end, y'all, because this is the Dub Digital channel. You know I get that TA and the FA and I mix it all up, that fundamental analysis. Spoiler alert, y'all, it's also getting some attention from exchanges. Want to know which ones? Stick around. Let's pull up the chart. All right, y'all, I'm sitting on the DGB USD pair. Let's get it. So guys, we don't gotta spend a million months on this chart because this is more or less a victory lap. And I know my DGB community, y'all got strong hands that are strong as hell, looking like Iron Man and stuff. That's that grit, that's that strength. But for those of you who are not familiar with Digibyte's price, let's go ahead and fill you in. So around March 2020, Digibyte, along with everything else in the crypto space, went down hard. And on the 16th of March 2020 to be exact, Digibyte hit about 0.25 cents. About 47 days after hitting that absolute bottom, Digibyte rose up with a quickness, and it said, I see y'all haters over there thinking I'm dead. Screw y'all, I'm going up. And go up it went, about 1,000% to be exact. Then after that point, Digibyte went more or less sideways for an extended amount of time, about 2/3 of a year. And just remember, guys, during that time, we had a lot of people rage quitting, selling their DGB bags for, well, nothing much, saying DGB's trash, DGB's a meme coin, saying all of this and all of that. But you know what I say? Haters, let them hate, because when the bags start pumping, they're gonna spectate. And towards the end of January of 2021, Digibyte's been no chill. Dub Digital, how fast to go up though? Over the course of 73 days, Digibyte rocketed up approximately 530%. That's so crazy, it makes me want to lose my lunch in the best way. Guys, DGB, it made quick work of this parallel channel. Went, man, I'm bored, I'm out, deuces, bang, like the beast that it is. And when we zoom up, we'll clearly see that at the highest point of this wick, Digibyte hit above its all-time high, sitting at about 17 cents. Dub Digital, calm the hell down, man. You and I both know that Digibyte wasn't up there for long. While the correction of that drop was about 40%, what else do you notice? Digibyte got bought up with the quickness as well. And guys, what happens when an asset has bears waiting to sell this thing at new all-time highs and bulls waiting to pick this thing up? It means we got a situation where the price is coiling in something like an ascending triangle. Now, because it's early in this move, it could look like this, it could look like this. We don't have enough information to tell. But what we do know is this thing is bouncing off of particular price points, moving up more than it's moving down. Since the turn of the year, Digibyte's risen about 650%. It gave back about 40% of that, and we're currently sitting at about 12.5 cents. Yeah, whatever, Dub Digital. Ain't no big deal. A whole bunch of altcoins have been shooting up to the sky. Every dog has its day. Cause when I zoom out, check it out. Look at how much volume has built into this move. Digibyte's volume has been steadily increasing ever since 2019. And now it's getting kind of dense. It's getting kind of hairy. And we're all about serious business on this channel. But guys, for the purpose of this video and to give you guys something to work with, let's just assume that this ascending triangle that I drew out here is gonna be somewhat representative of the actual structure that forms out over time. It looks like within the next month, Digibyte should make another breakup. And let's just do a measured move. And it's looking like the next impulse up for DGB should take us somewhere to 23 cents. DGB haters, where you at? And once that happens, there ain't no more fuzz on this peach. DGB is well above its all-time high in last cycle, and that's when the gains really start to get interesting. But while DGB looks like it might be doing something nice on the USD price, that's not really what I'm excited about. Cause old Dub Digital, I've been looking at the Digibyte BTC pair. Dub Digital, what the hell is this? This chart looks like a bag of milk. In October 2020, this thing was sitting at 229 Satoshis. But for the last 191 days, Digibyte has been below that price point. How far below, you ask? About 70% below. And that means for the last 200 days, Bitcoin has been outperforming Digibyte. But guys, don't despair, because recently, mid-April of 2021, Digibyte has been overperforming against Bitcoin, about 140 40%. We've corrected down some since hitting that point at about 316 Satoshis, but look where we're sitting at, right around the 229 Satoshi level. It means that we've been doing a whole bunch of flirting around this line here, but I'm looking at this as one big old resistance support flip, because y'all know what resistance support flips do. They establish a base, they commence higher. But we're not gonna get ahead of ourselves, y'all, because assuming it makes an ass out of you and me. But just looking at this using probability fundamentals, something that is submerged under a point shall exist above the given point. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. But guys, I'm getting tired of talking about all this TA. Let's get in some of that FA, because this is the Dub Digital channel. You know I get that TA and the FA and I mix it all up. That fundamental analysis, because those closer to the knowledge profit. Simple as that. Now y'all know I started off this video talking a whole bunch of filth saying Digibyte, it's getting a whole bunch of attention. And check this out, tweeted out by the Digibyte awareness team on April 25th of 2021. The DGB subreddit is now home to over 34,000 proud Digibyte community members. What's that movie with the Spartans? 300? Well, multiply that by 10 and then add 4,000, holding the line like beast. Dub Digital, who the hell cares about a subreddit? But just to be real, guys, I think a lot of people overlook grassroots movements. Hell, Digibyte has been a grassroots movement ever since it began. Digibyte's full of a bunch of doers, a bunch of winners. And if y'all want to be winners and hang out with winners, make sure to go over there and sub to our Digibyte. Next one on the chopping block, guys. Tweeted out on April 26, 2021 by Lunar Crush. Dub Digital, what's a Lunar Crush? Lunar Crush is basically a company that indexes just how many times cryptocurrencies are mentioned on the internet. And guess who just recently made top 5 in their rankings? Top Galaxy scores, April 26th of 2021, indicate the health of a coin based on social plus market metrics. XRP was 79.5 out of 100. Digibyte was 79.5 out of 100. Maker was 77 out of 100. Ethereum Classic, 77 out of 100. And Nano, 76.5 out of 100. And before y'all start saying, who the hell cares? Think of it this way. How many cryptocurrencies are there? Can you say a buttload? And to be honest, guys, I don't even know how many there are. But there used to be 3,000. I heard like 9,000 now. But knowing that helps put in perspective, now doesn't it? Out of thousands of cryptocurrencies, Digibyte was in the top 5. And in fact, Digibyte was tied for number 1. Because y'all know, I've been saying this. Digibyte, it don't belong down there on the floor. Because more eyes means more attention. More attention ultimately means more capital flowing into an asset. Dub Digital, I know you didn't bring me on this video just to talk about some social media mentions. Guys, that was just the warm-up, and there really isn't any bigger exchange in the US than Coinbase. Dated April 19th of 2021, Coinbase considering over 100 altcoins after boosting Cardano and Engine. Crypto exchange Coinbase is contemplating adding support for more than 100 new crypto assets. Dang, 100 coins? In a new interview on CNBC, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong said, "We're not tied to any particular crypto asset. We're adding support for over 100 crypto assets now, and there will be more and more in the future." I've been saying this one for, well, a couple years. But Coinbase, in comparison to all the cryptos out there, Coinbase as an exchange really doesn't offer that much. And for them to be able to compete against the Binance, against the KuCoin, Coinbase is going to have to step it up at scale. Of the assets that Coinbase has announced it is considering for its trading platform, 9 are still under review. Those are as follows: Aragon, Arweave, Digibyte, Horizon, LivePeer, Keep Network, Render Token, Siacoin, and VeChain. Oh my god, congratulations. And yeah, Digibyte deserves to be on Coinbase. Digibyte should have been on Coinbase for a couple years now, but we're gonna drop that. That's water under the bridge. As long as Brian Armstrong comes through, we all good. We all know about that Coinbase effect. We all know that every single crypto noob downloads Coinbase first. And we all know that people who are new to crypto, they like to push their money in all kinds of cheap coins. Coins that are in the cents. Digibyte's price is in the cents. If Digibyte gets onto Coinbase, can you say, my bags are blowing up? I don't know if you can say it, but I can. But that's not the last piece of news I gotta share with y'all. Because Digibyte, it has a new strategic partner in LCX. Dated April 15th of 2021, Digibyte Foundation agrees strategic partnership with LCX. The partnership will enable LCX and Digibyte to leverage technological and legal infrastructure as part of the next step for the Digibyte ecosystem. As part of the partnership, LCX will implement Digibyte blockchain within its ecosystem. This includes running a blockchain node and integrating wallet support. I guess real and recognize real. LCX will also list Digibyte native coin, DGB, on the LCX exchange. Also, both companies will collaborate to work on a new ecosystem focused on enterprise and consumer applications. Dub Digital, that's cool, but what the hell is a LCX? LCX happens to be a crypto exchange located in Liechtenstein. Partnering with LCX is no small feat, as the exchange is a regulated fintech company that focuses on digital asset trading, compliant token offerings, and tokenization. What have I been saying has been the bane to Digibyte's existence? Its inability to get adopted by big fiat on-ramps, aka large exchanges. Why that has been the case? I don't really want to speculate because I'll probably get it wrong. Now it's getting looks at exchanges all over the globe, LCX, and maybe, just maybe, even Coinbase. And more fiat on-ramps means more money could flow into this asset, blowing our bags to the freaking moon. And if that doesn't get you bullish, you might want to check your pulse. Alright guys, I just want to bring you an update on DGB because the price, it's been going up. And I said my DGB team might need me. And while the price hit all-time high and came down a little bit, I think we all can agree it's only a matter of time. But what looks really interesting to me is that DGB BTC pair. It looks like that Digibyte chatter, it's not just happening online, it's also happening in the boardrooms of Coinbase. Now that, my friends, is rather interesting. But you know what guys, you ain't gotta believe me. This is not financial advice. I'm just a dude on the internet. If you appreciate the content, give me a like, comment, subscribe. Dub Digital, crypto news, macro trends. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.